Hi, this is Natalie from Fabricland. We are so excited. We have purchased this fabulous fabric, which is denim one side and suede the other, and it lends itself for bag making. It's only £2 a metre, and Max has got some brilliant ideas of what to do with it. Go on, tell them.
Okay, so we've got lots of colours on our website, and I've picked out a pattern, okay, for a messenger bag. And I think what would look really good is you could do like the flap of the bag in the suede and the body of it in the denim. You could do the pockets in the denim, make the inside suede. I just think there's so many possibilities.
Yeah, and a useful item.
Yes, and it's only £2 a metre. And
yeah.
we also have got the one-click bundle for the messenger bag as well, which is unisex. So maybe have a go at making one for your husband for Christmas. Sneaky, get in there quick.
Yeah, absolutely. We've got the lovely, I would say, antelope kind of colour.
Yes.
A brown, khaki, which goes with everything.
Yeah, and this lovely grey. So there's lots of colours. So why not have a go?
Say goodbye, Max.
Goodbye, Max.